Christmas is often remembered through lights, celebrations, and familiar traditions, but at its heart, Christmas carries a message far deeper than decoration or ceremony. It speaks to the human condition itself, our weakness, our longing, our quiet struggles, and our need for hope. The birth of Jesus is not presented in the Bible as an event meant only for the powerful or the perfect. It is introduced gently, humbly, and intentionally into a world that was tired, wounded, and waiting. From the very beginning, Christmas declares a truth that still matters today. Jesus came for the broken. The world into which Jesus was born was not peaceful or ideal. It was marked by injustice, fear, and spiritual emptiness. Many people lived under oppression, uncertainty, and silent despair. Yet it was into this reality, not into palaces or places of comfort, that Jesus entered. This choice itself carries meaning. Christmas reminds us that divine love does not wait for ideal conditions. It steps directly into brokenness, not to judge it, but to heal it. Brokenness is something every human understands, even if it is not always spoken out loud. It appears in different forms: regret, loss, disappointment, loneliness, guilt, fear, and exhaustion of the soul. Many people carry invisible wounds that no one else sees. Christmas does not deny these realities. Instead, it acknowledges them and responds with compassion, reminding us that love comes first and restoration follows. Jesus' birth in humble surroundings reflects this truth clearly. There was no grandeur, no announcement to the elite, no celebration among the powerful. Instead, the first witnesses were ordinary people, those living simple lives, often overlooked by society. This reveals something essential about the heart of the Christmas message. It shows that God's attention is not drawn to status or appearance, but to sincerity and need. Throughout the Bible, Jesus is presented not as someone distant from human pain, but as someone deeply familiar with it. His arrival at Christmas marks the beginning of a life lived close to human suffering. He did not remain separated from pain. He walked among it. Christmas speaks directly to those who feel unworthy or forgotten, reminding them that they are not beyond grace. Faith, as shown in the Bible, often begins in weakness, with a quiet cry for help or a simple hope that life can change. The Christmas message unfolds gently, like light breaking into darkness without force or noise. It offers patience, reassurance, and presence, assuring broken hearts that healing does not require perfection, only honesty and trust. The timing of Jesus' birth speaks to every generation, because humanity has always known weariness, uncertainty, and longing for hope. Christmas teaches that true healing often comes through humility, reflection, and quiet truth rather than power or performance. It offers reassurance to those carrying guilt, regret, loneliness, or grief, emphasizing mercy, forgiveness, and compassionate presence rather than condemnation. The simplicity of the Christmas message removes barriers and makes hope accessible to all. As Jesus' life unfolded, his mission remained the same: reaching the overlooked, restoring the broken, and offering peace that goes deeper than circumstances. Christmas does not promise immediate solutions, but it provides lasting hope, inner peace, and direction in darkness. It invites reflection, openness, and trust, reminding us that brokenness is not the end of the story. The arrival of Jesus declares that no one is beyond reach, no heart too damaged, and no life too complicated. This is the heart of Christmas. Love has already come. Healing is possible, and hope remains today, just as it did on that first Christmas. That Christmas also calls people to slow down in a world that constantly demands speed, achievement, and certainty. It reminds us that meaning is often found not in control, but in surrender, not in noise, but in stillness. In moments when life feels overwhelming and answers seem distant, the Christmas message gently reassures us that waiting is not wasted. Even in silence, something meaningful can be unfolding. The presence of Jesus speaks to hearts that feel forgotten, offering comfort without conditions and guidance without pressure. Christmas encourages patience with ourselves and with others, reminding us that growth and healing often take time, and that grace is not earned through effort, but received through openness. In this way, Christmas becomes more than a moment in history. It becomes a living message that continues to speak into everyday life. It invites compassion in place of judgment, understanding in place of assumption, and hope in place of despair. The love revealed through Jesus' coming reshapes how people view themselves and one another, calling them to see worth where the world sees weakness. Christmas leaves us with a quiet but enduring assurance that even in the most fragile moments of life, love remains present, restoration remains possible, and hope continues to shine, steady, patient, and unchanging, through every season of the human story.